a job today in Greenwich for a customer who's with a company called MyNetFone. They've been having some problems with their internet for about
it's a couple of months now.
a couple of months.
Yeah.
This has been going on. They've had technicians come out. How many times have you had techs?
Twice from MyNetFone.
They've had 2 techs come out from MyNetFone. Basically, the last tech come here just recently and produced this card, basically saying everything was okay here to the MDF. And I just disconnected the customer's internal cabling going back up to his unit and tested it, and it's testing perfect. There's nothing wrong with his internals. His email he got through from MyNetFone basically was stating that there was no jumpers on the B side, which is not correct. It was jumpered across. I've got these jumpers here going back up to the customer's socket. Just tested that then. There's no insulation resistance, is testing fine. Everything's within the spec. We've got his router hooked up directly to the leading cable coming in, which is on the A side there on pair 15. As you can see, going through here to his router. So we've got sync and the internet lights on, but it's just not connecting. Nothing's connecting. There's just nothing passing through. When you listen to the actual tone on the line, there's no dial tone. It's just an engaged signal. So there's no data flowing through this. So there's definitely a network fault on this. So it's not an internal wiring issue. We've tested the customer's internal wiring. So this is going back to you, MyNetFone. It's 100% a network issue.